Hi guys, I'm Raul from Simply Learn, and today I'm going to tell you how you can become a digital marketer. So here's what we'll be going through today. First off, who is a digital marketer, how to become a digital marketer, the salary of a digital marketer, and how you can become a certified digital marketer. So first off, let's answer the most important question. Who is a digital marketer? Now, a digital marketer is responsible for several things. Let's go through some of them. First off, they're responsible to develop as well as manage marketing campaigns to ensure that the goals of the organization are fulfilled. They need to create a marketing strategy which is based on analyzing their competition as well as the benchmarks within the industry. They need to drive website traffic as well as acquire leads, which are then worked upon by the organization or the business. They need to utilize web analytics tools so that they can measure and optimize a campaign, which is basically figuring out how well the campaign is doing, and if it's not doing well, how they can make it better. And finally, they need to be able to enhance brand awareness, which is just letting people know that the brand exists and how the brand can make their lives better. Next up, let's talk about how to become a digital marketer. To become a digital marketer, you need a certain set of skills. Skills like search engine optimization, search engine marketing or SEM, email marketing, social media marketing, affiliate marketing, content marketing, and finally, mobile marketing. So the first step you need to take to become a digital marketer is to learn SEO. So SEO or search engine optimization is the process of increasing the quality of your organic traffic, which is nothing but the traffic that comes to your website without having seen any paid advertisements, just because your website is one of the first few results when they search a particular query on a search engine. SEO involves on-page SEO as well as off-page SEO. So how to do on-page SEO? First off, you need to do keyword research. Keyword research is one of the most important steps when it comes to SEO. It is the process of identifying popular words and phrases used on search engines by users. You need to be able to identify keywords with high search volume, high relevancy, and low competition. Next up, we have technical audit. So search engines around the world have internet bots performing a particular process known as crawling. In this process, these search engine bots, also known as spiders, scan a website and copy the entire website's content and store it within the search engine for it to index. Now you need to ensure your site is being crawled and indexed. Next, you have on-site optimization. You need to develop high quality content, meta tags, URL, and sitemaps. And finally, user experience. You need to provide good website architecture as well as internal linking structure. Next up, let's talk about how to do off-page SEO. This is made possible with the help of link building. This is the process of navigating links from other websites to your own. And by building external links to your website, your organic search ranking can be improved. Now let's talk about some SEO tools. You have Moz, Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahrefs. Now let's talk about the next step required to become a digital marketer, which is to learn SEM or search engine marketing. Search engine marketing is a practice of marketing a business using paid advertisements on search engines and other websites. So basically, this is a way of attracting users towards your website or a particular product that you're offering. So how can you do SEM or search engine marketing? First off, you need to determine your goal and define a budget. You need to ensure that you have a goal in mind. For example, do you want more leads? Do you want to increase traffic or improve brand awareness and much more? After you're done with that, you need to define a budget. How much money are you ready to spend to achieve this goal? Then you need to choose a list of relevant keywords, which is keywords on which you'll be bidding to advertise. You need to finalize your keywords and then bid on them, which is basically, are you ready to pay for how many clicks you're getting or for acquiring customers or making them leads and so on. You need to create a compelling headline for your ad campaign. You need to monitor the performance of campaigns and measure results, which is basically finding out whether the campaign is working out well, and if it's not, to optimize it so that it works the next time. And you need to target your audience with remarketing campaigns. For example, if a customer does not go through with the conversion process, they can be added to the remarketing audience so that they can be advertised to again. Some of the popular SEM tools are Google AdWords Editor, FB Ads Manager, Bing Ads, and AdRoll. Now for the next step to become a digital marketer, you have to learn email marketing. Now email marketing is a really efficient as well as inexpensive way to generate high return on investment. It can be used to convert prospects into customers by sending personalized emails to a targeted audience. So how do you perform email marketing? First off, you need to discover your target audience and create segments in which you can divide them depending on their behavior. You need to select and create your type of campaign depending on the goals you want to achieve. You need to select a suitable design for your campaign. You need to have a compelling subject line and email content, which is very important when it comes to email marketing. You need to send campaigns immediately or schedule an email. And finally, you need to measure results such as open rate, click-through rate, response rate, and so on. You also need to perform A/B testing to find out what works and what doesn't. Some of the popular email marketing tools are MailChimp, HubSpot, Marketo, Sendinblue, and so on. And now for the next step, you need to learn social media marketing. Social media marketing involves the promotion of your product and services on different social media platforms using different types of content. Now, this could be just sponsored posts, video advertisements, images, articles, and so on. Now, how can you do social media marketing? First off, you need to choose a suitable social media platform for your business. It could be Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and so on. Next up, you need to find your target audience. Now, each of these platforms has a particular niche that occupies it. Now, for example, Facebook requires an active social media marketing strategy. Pinterest is usually used by females. LinkedIn can be used for employee networking. And YouTube is a platform where people create as well as share video content. And that's the only content that works on YouTube. You need to create as well as curate engaging content, because without your content being engaging, nobody's going to be interested in your product or service. Then you need to choose a social media management tool. And finally, you need to test, evaluate, and optimize your results. Now let's talk about some popular social media marketing tools. We have Hootsuite, TweetDeck, Buffer, Sprout Social, and so many more. Now for your next step to becoming a digital marketer, you need to learn affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is a form of digital marketing that involves two players, a merchant as well as an affiliate. Now, a merchant is an individual who pays a commission to the affiliate, who could be a third-party site or entity, to drive sales, bring leads or new customers with the help of referrals. Now, how can you do affiliate marketing? First off, you need to choose a tool through which you can find affiliates who can advertise your product. Now, you need to choose affiliate on the basis of how much traffic the affiliate's website gets, how successful the affiliate's previous campaigns were, and how much commission the affiliate asks for. Then you need to specify the format that the affiliate must use when they're advertising your product or service. You need to keep a record of the customers who purchased your product or service through the affiliate, and finally, pay the affiliate based on the commission rates. Now let's talk about some of the popular affiliate marketing tools. There's CJ Affiliate, Volume, Has Offers, and Awin. Now for the next step to becoming a digital marketer, you need to learn mobile marketing. Now, mobile marketing enables a business to communicate with a targeted audience through any mobile device. This is through SMS, emails, MMSs, and so on. So how do you do mobile marketing? First off, you need to create a mobile buyer persona, which is, what kind of person is using the phone. You need to set business goals, like what goals, basically determining what goals you want to achieve with the mobile marketing campaign. Then you need to conduct your campaign and reach your target audience with a personalized message to these users. And finally, you need to monitor these metrics and optimize them if required. Now let's talk about some popular mobile marketing tools. There's SlickText, Localytics, AdMob, Facebook mobile ads, and much more. Now for your next step in becoming a digital marketer, you need to learn content marketing. Content marketing is a pull marketing technique of creating as well as sharing valuable content. Now this could be blogs, videos, or articles which solves the problem of the target audience. This holds their attention by adding value to their lives and can end up converting their interest into a purchase. So how do you do content marketing? Firstly, you need to define your goals, as in what you want to achieve. You need to define your target audience. Then you need to determine what kind of content you are creating. It could be blog posts, ebooks, case studies, infographics, and so on. You need to brainstorm for new content ideas. You need to perform a content audit, which is to evaluate content elements and information assets, and choose a suitable content management system. Now you can plan, create, publish, and measure your results all in one place using a content management system, such as the HubSpot software. Next, you need to promote your content using email, affiliate, and social media marketing. Finally, you need to measure your success and optimize your content. Now let's talk about some of the popular content marketing tools. There's LinkedIn Pulse, Paper.li, Flipboard, Trapit, and many more. Now let's talk about some additional resources. Now there are a huge number of videos online about digital marketing, and I recommend you go through some of them so that you have a basic idea about their fundamentals. Now this is where Simplilearn's YouTube channel can help you. You can take advantage of Simplilearn's digital marketing tutorials. You can go to this playlist right here, and here you have tutorials on what is SEO, how you can rank #1 on Google, keywords research, Facebook ads tutorial, how you can rank your YouTube videos, Facebook advertising tips and tricks, social media marketing, Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, and so much more. Now let's have a look at the salaries of a digital marketer. In the United States, the average salary of a digital marketer is approximately $65,000 per year. Similarly, the average salary for a digital marketer in India is approximately 5 lakh rupees per year. Now let's talk about how you can become a certified digital marketer. Now there are a number of different certifications available for you. There's the Google Ads Fundamental Certification, the Facebook Certified Planning Professional Certification, the HubSpot Content Marketing Certification, the Hootsuite Social Marketing Certification, and Simplilearn's Digital Marketing Specialist Master's Program. Now here's another way Simplilearn can help you. Simplilearn has a number of different digital marketing certifications. Let's talk about the Digital Marketing Specialist Master's Program. In this program, there are a number of different certifications, such as the Digital Marketing Certified Associate, Advanced Web Analytics, Advanced SEO, and so on. The certification also provides the OMCP certification exam voucher worth $395 upon the completion of the master's program. It has 45 plus projects and can help you get a salary of close to 17 lakhs per annum. It is also accredited by Hootsuite, Facebook, the OMCP, and so on. So now let's have a closer look at the digital marketing course or the Digital Marketing Certified Associate Certification Training. Now this certification provides 53 hours of instructor-led training, 40 plus hours of self-paced videos, instructor-led online project mentoring sessions, helping you prep for examinations from the OMCA, Google Ads, and so on. It has industry accreditations from Hootsuite, Facebook, and the OMCP. And it covers more than 35 tools such as Facebook Insights, YouTube Analytics, Crazy Egg, Google Keyword Planner, Google Ad Manager, LinkedIn Ads, Buffer, SEMrush, and so on. So why don't you go on to Simplilearn.com so that you can get started on your journey getting certified and getting ahead. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.